How to become a millionaire. A step-by-step guide. Becoming a millionaire is not just about luck. It requires strategy, discipline, and persistence. While there is no one-size-fits-all formula, successful millionaires follow certain key principles. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you achieve financial success. 1. Develop a millionaire mindset. Your mindset plays a crucial role in wealth creation. Millionaires think long-term, take calculated risks, and constantly seek self-improvement. Develop a strong belief in your ability to succeed and be willing to put in the effort. 2. Set clear financial goals. Having a clear financial goal gives you direction. Decide how much money you want to make and by when. Break down your goal into smaller, achievable milestones, and create a plan to reach them. 3. Increase your income. Saving alone won't make you a millionaire. You need to increase your income. Here are some ways to do that. Start a side business. Invest in high-income skills, coding, digital marketing, sales, etc. Ask for a raise or switch to a higher-paying job. Create multiple income streams. 4. Live below your means. Avoid unnecessary expenses and practice smart spending habits. Instead of showing off wealth, focus on growing it. Some key habits include budgeting and tracking expenses, avoiding lifestyle inflation, cutting unnecessary subscriptions and expenses. 5. Invest wisely. Investing is one of the most powerful ways to grow wealth. Consider these options. Stock market. Invest in index funds, ETFs, and individual stocks. Real estate. Buy rental properties or flip houses for profit. Businesses. Start or invest in profitable businesses. Cryptocurrency and other assets. Diversify but be cautious of risks. 6. Build multiple streams of income. Most millionaires don't rely on a single income source. They have multiple streams, such as passive income from investments, rental income, online businesses, royalties from books, courses, or patents. 7. Network with successful people. Your network influences your net worth. Surround yourself with successful and ambitious people. Join mastermind groups. Attend networking events, and learn from those who have already achieved financial success. 8. Stay disciplined and keep learning. Wealth creation takes time, patience, and discipline. Continuously improve your skills, stay updated on financial trends, and never stop learning. Read books, take courses, and follow mentors who can guide you. 9. Take calculated risks. Risk-taking is essential for wealth creation, but it should be calculated. Analyze the pros and cons before making any financial decision. Invest in opportunities that have high growth potential while managing risks effectively. 10. Give back and stay humble. Successful millionaires understand the power of giving. Contribute to charities, help others, and stay humble. Wealth is not just about accumulation but also about making a positive impact. Final thoughts. Becoming a millionaire is possible if you follow the right strategies and stay committed. Focus on increasing your income, investing wisely, and developing good financial habits. With consistency and persistence, financial success is within your reach. How to become a millionaire. The ultimate blueprint. Becoming a millionaire is a dream for many, but only a few achieve it. Why? Because wealth creation requires the right mindset, smart financial habits, and disciplined execution. If you're serious about reaching a 7-figure net worth, follow this ultimate blueprint. 1. Adopt a millionaire mindset. Your thoughts shape your reality. Millionaires think differently from the average person. They focus on opportunities, not obstacles. Here's how to develop the right mindset. Believe in abundance. There's enough wealth for everyone. Take responsibility. Your financial future is in your hands. Embrace lifelong learning. Read books, take courses, and learn from successful people. Stay persistent. Failure is part of the journey. Don't let it stop you. 2. Set clear financial goals. A vague dream won't make you rich, but a clear goal with a deadline will. Follow these steps. Set a specific financial target, e.g., I will earn $1 million in 5 years. Break it down. How much do you need to make per year, month, and day? Create an action plan. Identify the best strategies to achieve your goal. 3. Increase your income. You can't save your way to wealth, you need to earn more. Here's how. Start a side hustle. Freelancing, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, etc. Invest in high-income skills, sales, copywriting, coding, digital marketing, etc. Negotiate a raise. If you have a job, ask for a salary increase based on your performance. Build multiple income streams. Passive income is the key to long-term wealth. 4. Save and invest wisely. The rich don't just earn, they multiply their money. Follow these financial principles. Live below your means. Avoid unnecessary expenses. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. Spend 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and save. Invest 20%. Invest in assets, not liabilities. Buy things that grow in value. Stocks, real estate, businesses. Automate savings. Set up a system to invest before spending. 5. Leverage the power of compounding. Wealth builds over time, not overnight. The earlier you start investing, the faster you grow. Example: if you invest $500 per month at a 10% return, you'll have over $1 million in 30 years. Popular investment options: stock market, index funds, ETFs, blue chip stocks. Real estate, rental properties, flipping houses. Cryptocurrency and digital assets, high risk, high reward. Businesses, start your own or invest in others. 6. Avoid debt and bad financial habits. Credit card debt and unnecessary loans can slow you down. Here's how to stay financially strong. Avoid high interest loans, credit card debt, payday loans, etc. Don't finance liabilities. Buying luxury items on credit is a bad idea. Stay disciplined. Stick to your budget and investment plan. 7. Build a network of successful people. Your network equals your net worth. Surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you. Find a mentor. Learn from those who have already succeeded. Join mastermind groups. Business and finance communities can open new doors. Avoid toxic people. Negative influences can hold you back. 8. Think like an entrepreneur. Most millionaires are business owners. If you want financial freedom, consider starting an online business, e-commerce, digital products, or SaaS, building a personal brand, YouTube, blogging, coaching, etc. Creating scalable income streams, subscription services, automated sales funnels, etc. 9. Take smart risks. Risk is necessary for growth, but it must be calculated. Don't be afraid to fail. Every millionaire has failed multiple times. Invest in what you understand. Never put money into something you don't research. Have a backup plan. Always prepare for setbacks. 10. Give back and stay humble. True wealth isn't just about money. It's about impact. Help others. Donate, mentor, or support charitable causes. Stay humble. Arrogance leads to bad decisions. Focus on long-term legacy. Think about what you'll leave behind. Final thoughts. Becoming a millionaire isn't about luck. It's about strategy, persistence, and smart financial habits. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Start now.